Good day again, traders. When my students request this answering this question, what is break-even point in trading? And we've been using this point over and over. If you're winning, you want to protect this profit. Especially if you've got a big news event coming out, and the market can gap down sometimes, and gap down and you end up still losing anyway. But ultimately, break even, especially if you're in a profitable position, and then you can actually let the profits run. Okay, so this is after a position moves in the trader's favor. The trader then moves his stop loss to the point of entry, where she enters the trade. At this point, it is very unlikely that the trader would lose on the trade. But as I said, guys, nothing is impossible, because might have a big news event, for example, when we had the World Trade Center incident, when those airplanes flew in, collided with the World Trade Center, then the market is going to just drop, and sometimes it might hit that stop, it might not hit your stop loss on that point. So so we can't say it's impossible, but I've got to explain to you the worst scenario. But are all things well, then break-even point protects you from any risk to that trade, especially if you're already in profit. Okay. Okay, guys, now let's have a look at some charts now, some real charts now. At the moment, I'm currently in this New Zealand Jappy trade. Got my inside bar. This is my inside bar. Got a pin bar, well, not necessarily a pin bar, but got my inside bar. Got my engulfing. Then I'm off the rail. Got into this trade. Okay. So I took this trade. I'm in profit at the moment. What I've done, this bit here, this represents my stop loss, right? My stop loss was there. Okay. I entered the trade at that point. Okay. Now this is my profit running now, because I entered the trade. It's going in my favor. That was my stop loss, just in case the trade went against me. So what I've done now, that's I move it to break even on this candle. Then this candle is now running, so then I move it to the next point, right, which this is where the market was at some point, yeah. So I move it there. Okay, my target was there, but because it got so close to my target, my profit target, then I move it even further up. Okay, guys, so now I'm in profit regardless of whatever is going to happen now. Okay, something detrimental has to happen for me to lose on this trade, for this thing to just gap and drop all the way below here, but it's very unlikely. Okay, so at this point I'm in profit. Okay, let's show you another one that I've moved to break even. Now this is a FTSE 100 that I'm currently in this trade, and there's a swap of 44 pounds, because the market closes. But that's another topic. Rollover setting, because the price rollover far higher than what I got into the trade at. So basically, guys, don't worry about that bit. It's already built into the price. So anyway, if you want a lesson on rollover and how to calculate it, just send me a request and I'll do one of that for you. But let's look at the this thing. Now my stop loss was here, my target is there. Okay, now I'm in profit, so I move this trade up to break even. Then what I can do now, I can then start moving this according to what market is closed now, so I can adjust my profit to say probably that point, yeah, to the low, probably the open of this thing. And then if it gets closer to there, then I'm just gonna move my target even further above. I'll be looking at probably the recent high, which is up to there, right? But you can see the FTSE has been in a sideways market time. It hasn't been doing anything much, whereas the DAX and the S&P and and the Dow Jones, they've been just running away like a train without a brake on it. But the FTSE, it's going up. Didn't risk much, making 66 pounds there, and not a lot of risk, 80 pence a point. So that's what I'm talking about there, guys. Just putting on the trades, and I put on a few trades here as well. Okay, put some Euro trades on, put some Aussie trades on. Buying the Euro, so I'm expecting so put some trades on there, guys. So Let's see how they play out. You know, this week is a major week. Let's see how things work out this week. As you know, it's all about following your rules. It's all about making sure you understand what you're doing. And you know, once you're in profit, you just pull this up and then start trailing it. And you know, don't be too quick to take profit, because you see when the market is ready to take your, you know, to take your money, it will take your money. So you just allow your winners to run. I will, you know, do a video on how you allow your winners to run. But for now, break even is when I move my stop. Yeah, so therefore, so if you notice I moved above my entry, so therefore regardless, the market will come back. I'll probably get a tiny bit of profit, but at least I won't lose any money, you know. Okay guys, and that's what it's about. You know, if you need more information or anything, my contact details, just contact me and I'll be sharing my trading strategies and how I go about trading. Have a blessed day and a very good trading week. God bless you all. Bye.